The Restorative Hair Mask. It's ideal for weakened, damaged, and color-treated hair in need of an intense repair. The formula is rich in protein, which helps repair and fortify hair that has suffered from chemical and thermal damage. Use it between shampoo and conditioner. With a plastic spoon, spatula, or a dry hand, scoop up the product. Begin by applying a generous amount to shampooed, towel-dried hair. And comb through to distribute the product evenly. Allow to absorb 5 to 7 minutes. As with all Moroccanoil masks, no heat is required. Rinse thoroughly. This mask is highly reparative to the internal structure of the hair and should be sealed in afterward with a conditioner. Use once a week to start and less frequently as hair's health returns. For thick, coarse hair, combine about 1 teaspoon of Moroccanoil treatment with the Restorative Hair Mask for added shine and elasticity.